Delivery is free. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rosie Peters. Rosie Peters. I have been holding this video for so long. Not my fault actually. I've been quite busy, but we thank God that we're doing it today. So without further ado, let's get into it. Straight into the video. From the title you already know what it takes. I got my order from the post office. Now I wouldn't say this is officially my first ever order, or how should I say it, but this is actually the first time I'm getting a Korean product. That is what it is, I think. Yes, but let me just say a beauty product, like products for skin cleansing, or however it's been said. It's from Glambox, and you can see I've not touched it. The letter from the post office and all of that, the package, I've not touched it. I want to say a few nice things about this brand before I start. It's not sponsored. I got this package myself. I'm here to read lots and lots about it, but I saw their page on Instagram through a person's page and decided to make an order. I don't know why, I just felt I should trust them, but I did. I placed this order on a Monday and I got it on a Thursday. How nice. And then the customer care, I guess, the lady that responds to the DMs, she is, I don't know if it's a lady or a guy, but the person is super nice, super nice. So those are the few things I have to say about Glambox. Check them on Instagram, Glambox Nigeria. So let's get into it. I got my blade. There's this sellotape. So we'll be discussing each thing one by one. Okay. This is nice. I wasn't expecting this. This is nice. This is your aloe vera foam cleanser. That is what it is. You'll find this in your Glambox eye patch. The eye patch for this part of your eye. This is your moisture and refresh aloe vera essence. Still an aloe vera product. This is what it looks like when you open it. Okay, I think this is another face mask. You have the almond and the honey. We unboxed it together, guys, so you don't expect me to have an idea. We unboxed it together. Now this is another mask. Yes, I am real lemon mask shit brightening. Now this one, they wrote a mask on it, but the rest of it, there was nothing to indicate a mask, just that a diagram behind showed it's a mask, and I just feel three of them are mask. And then we have our serum, 24K gold, 6 peptide, land banner facial serum. A facial serum, I've never had this before, so let's see how it goes. Look at it. That's your facial serum. That is my facial serum. I think This is a max again. Yes. Fantastic Gold 24K Hydrogel Mask. This is a max again. And tada! That is all. That is all that it came with. Okay, not looking at myself, but looking at you guys. Now I just wrote down the things I need to tell you guys about the Glambox Nigeria. It's actually a face care company, and they have the box that's called non-deluxe box, which is for 10,000 naira. It has just 2 non-deluxe products and 3 masks. And then we have the deluxe box, which I just showed you guys. That one has 2 deluxe products. Okay, not looking at myself, but looking at you guys. Now I just wrote down the things I need to tell you guys about the Glambox Nigeria. It's actually a face care company, and they have the box that's called non-deluxe box, which is for 10,000 naira. It has just 2 non-deluxe products and 3 masks. And then we have the deluxe box, which I just showed you guys. That one has 2 deluxe products, and I think the 2 deluxe products being talked about are these 2: aloe vera essence moisture, and then your aloe vera foam cleanser. I think these are the 2 deluxe products they were talking about. And then 5 marks. There are 5. So that is the box. I got a deluxe box. You have your 5 different kinds of marks. I'll do another video that would show how this mask works and my very sincere review on the product, since it's my first time. And then the last box is the double deluxe product, which has 6 deluxe products and 6 masks. That's nice. And they have 3 categories for each boxes. You have the acne and cleansing one, you have the anti-aging one, and you have the skin toning one. So it depends on what you want, what is the issue with your face, what is happening, and what do you want to get rid of. Basically, that will determine the kind of box you'll be able to get. Because I wanted to get the one for 10,000 naira, but the person, I keep saying she I just imagine it's a she. Okay, let's just continue with a she. She advised that I get the one for 20,000 naira because I complain about hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and acne. I'm not this person that knows too much about facial problems like skin problems and all of that, but I'll be learning soon. Don't worry, we'll be in it. And I just told the person that I just wanted a clear skin. I really wanted to glow. I wanted a melanin to glow. That skin to glow. It's not like I'm tempted to look at myself. It's not like I'm not glowing now, but I'm not there. I'm not. You can see I'm not there yet. So that is just it. Basically, I'll leave their link in the description box below if you really want to. Like I said before, it's not a sponsored video. I got the box for the first time just so I see what, because I just went through the page and I felt it should be a good one. And they are Korean products. They are Korean products. That's something we should know. You should know. And we all know what Korean products do. They are nice. They are nice. So let me get into it. And I didn't touch. I've not started using it because I just needed to unbox it with you guys. You see how much I love you guys. I needed to unbox it with you guys, so I had not opened it. I opened it today. So while I use it, I'll see the changes and give my very honest review on another day, in another video. I think that's pretty much all. Yeah. And notwithstanding that my order came in a day before expected. It was supposed to come on a Friday morning, but it came on a Thursday morning. The order goes for 3 to 5 days. And one exciting thing I forgot to say is delivery is free. They deliver to the closest. I got mine from the post office. That's like 15 naira going to the post office from my house. It's free. You don't have to pay for it. Just pay for your box. It's everybody likes awoof in Nigeria. You guys like awoof. We like awoof. So grab this opportunity now. I feel really weird looking this way and not looking at myself. Like, I just want to see myself. But it's okay, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it. What am I looking at? If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe, and also notification button if you want to get notified on when I upload on my next video. I've not been. Until next time. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. That intro is whack. I'm tempted to look at myself. Sorry.